Hello, I'm going to offer you some insight into unsupervised learning. The term learning is often related to schools, teachers, and studying, but actually we learn many things without any teachers and supervisors around. Babies learn about the world by simply observing their surroundings and imitating what adults around them do. No one learns football in a classroom. We simply watch others play and then try to imitate them, and eventually we can play football. And even make comments on players, managers, and referees' decisions without attending any classes. Luckily, there are plenty of algorithms that help machines learn in an unsupervised manner, just like baby humans do. These algorithms are categorized as unsupervised learning methods. And along with supervised learning and reinforcement learning, they make up a large part of machine learning. These models vary the way in which the program learns. In supervised learning, which you are probably familiar with, we provide the model a set of values together with the predicted outcomes to train it. In unsupervised learning, model is not provided with any kind of expected outputs. We simply give the data to the model and it needs to figure out the patterns, if there are any, for itself. Finally, in reinforcement machine learning, machine learns from trial and error. Let's take a look at a few unsupervised learning tasks, including clustering, density estimation, and anomaly detection. In clustering, the goal is to group similar instances together into clusters. Clustering is a great tool for data analysis, customer segmentation, recommender systems, search engines, and image segmentation. Density estimation is a task of estimating the probability density function of the random process that generated the dataset. Density estimation is commonly used for anomaly detection, data analysis, and visualization. In anomaly detection, the objective is to learn what normal data looks like and then use that to detect abnormal instances, such as defective items on a production line or a new trend in a time series. Some of the most famous unsupervised learning algorithms are K-means algorithm, which is a very powerful yet simple clustering algorithm, agglomerative clustering, which is yet another clustering algorithm, db-scan, which is not only useful for clustering but can also detect anomalies, and Gaussian mixture model, which is a density estimation approach.
Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video educational and informative. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.